Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Justine, and I usually do luxury pre-loved items that I find here in Japan on the Japanese resale market, or I do brand new luxury items that I happen to purchase here in Japan. And I also do videos on my everyday life while living in Japan. So without further ado, this is yet another unboxing video. I'm starting to like the unboxing videos. Hopefully I'm getting the hang of the unboxing videos, but we'll see how that goes. So today, this unboxing is not for me. I know, it's surprising. So I actually purchased something for my brother on the Japanese pre-love market because I figured he can't get it anymore. Louis Vuitton doesn't make it anymore. And my brother likes things that no one else has. So I was able to find him a piece of luggage, and because I have one for myself, actually I have two of the different sizes. I bought one for my mom, so I figured since my brother's birthday just recently passed that I guess I could buy him a piece of luggage. So without further ado, I am going to unbox his, oh man, this was a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I'm going to unbox his Sirius 45 piece of hand luggage. Yes, the Louis Vuitton still makes the Sirius, however they do not make it in the 45 anymore. And I also have a size 55, which they also they don't make the 55. I think they make the 50 or something like that. But regardless, I have the two sizes that Louis Vuitton no longer makes. But I bought this for him because he likes things that no one else has. He likes to be able to find a piece that people want, but they can't get. So, because most of the people that he works around and with and travels with do not live in Japan and do not have the plug in Japan like I do, I find him items and then I get them for him. So this is one of the ones that I was able to find and get for him. I got this at a very good price. I can't remember. I think I paid less than $300 for this. But I bought this for him because he likes my bag. And usually whenever he likes something of mine, he tells me that it's his now. And even though I live here and he lives in the States, if I ever bring it home and I am staying with him and I happen to fall asleep, it magically disappears. And then the next day I have to search and hunt and find something else in order to replace the item that he has already taken from me. So instead of me doing that this time, I decided that I was going to preemptively buy him this bag and send it to him. So the Sirius 45, which for him, he is about 5'4" and 300 plus pounds. He's a very tall, athletic gentleman. So I bought him this for when he does his business trips. So he's able to do his overnight trips, put his stuff in here, carry his shoes if he wants, because he has a lot of very expensive shoes, and he likes to carry his expensive shoes on his person when he's on a plane. So I bought him this, the Sirius 45, which is perfect carry-on size. The only issue with this bag, and I asked him before I bought it because my brother is, he likes surprises, but you have to if there's something that's not perfect and brand new and it's flawed, you have to kind of sort of get his pre-approval. Otherwise, he'll be upset when you send it to him and then he'll just send it back to you. But that's just him. So the only problem with this is the inside pocket has red dots. But looking at it, it's really not that big of a deal. So I told him about it, told him I wanted to get him one, particularly for his birthday. And he said, you know what, Justine? I would have told you no, but since no one else can buy this bag, no one else can get this bag unless they go to the Japanese pre-love market, send me that bag because it's just like your bag and I want your bag. So rather than take your bag, I'll take this bag. And I said, you know what? Done. Because I like my bag. I have my own 45 and I think it's amazing and I don't want to give it to him. So I bought him his own. I know I just could have sent it to him and bought him his own, but I've already grown an attachment to my bag. Thankfully, it did not come with a dust cover, which I'm kind of sad about, but it does come with its own lock and key, which is also something I know that he's going to appreciate and he's going to like, because then he's able to lock up his stuff whenever he's traveling and he doesn't have to worry about it being in the overhead bin because it already had a lock and key. So there is that. I'm super sure and excited that he is going to be super sure and excited when he gets this. So I'm super stoked about this, and I plan on mailing this off today, along with a couple of other things that I was able to get him. I got him a couple of the toiletry pouches that he can't get anymore. This one is a 23, the Truce 23. So I got him this one. I also bought him, I think this is two Truce 20. Okay, these are two Truce 23s. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. So there's two of these. So yeah, I'm going to give him these two because I already have the full set of the Truce. I have the 28, the 23, the 18. I don't need two more of these, but I'm going to give him this one and not this one because I did buy this one pre-loved. I think I got this one for less than $100, but I need to repair the zipper. So I'll take this up to my sales associate in Japan and we'll get the zipper replaced. And then that should be perfectly fine. And there's one more thing. I can't find it right now. That I also bought him that's I already have as well. And it's also like another small wristlet. So he likes the SLGs, the vintage ones, because he can't get them in the States sometimes. And he also likes the bigger items that no one else can happen to find. And this one has a beautiful patina on it. Like, not even gonna lie, like the corners are a little bit, you know, they're worn, but this Sirius has a beautiful dark honey patina. Like, this bag looks nice. I'm still gonna send it to him. I already have my own, so I don't need another one. But I like this bag, and I know why I bought it for myself. But it also comes with the luggage tag, and it also comes with the strap holder, the handle holder, so that's also pretty nice. So I think I am caught up on all my unboxings now. So the plan is for me to go ahead and send this off to my brother sometime today. And then once all the videos are finished being edited and being adding some little razzle dazzle to it, I'll go ahead and post all those up on YouTube. As always, thank you for joining me with my unboxing, and thank you for joining me on my channel. If you like the video, please go ahead and smash the like button. If you would like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button and get the bell notification so you know when I do post. As always, happy treasure hunting on your luxury good items. I always know it's always exciting for me whenever I get a box, and I forgot that I purchased something. I didn't really forget. I just tell myself that I did, so that way it's like a nice Christmas in the middle of the year, especially in these dark times. And then it's always nice to be able to open it and be like, oh, I finally bought the bag. I finally got the bag that I've wanted for like years. So this is going to be a great addition to my brother's collection. He has a lot of the newer items and very few vintage pieces. So I'm going to start getting him vintage pieces and getting him things that are older than him. So, but yeah, so happy hunting and thank you for joining me. Until next time.